Creating a balcony garden can be fun and fulfilling. However, hardest part is getting started. Hey guys, welcome back. So here I am with a new video and I'm trying to make my balcony more appealing with minimal efforts. We spend a lot of time in our balconies, especially since the COVID induced lockdown. That's why these cute spaces cannot be ignored. If you are also looking to make over your balcony but not sure where to start, this video will definitely give you some useful ideas. This is how my balcony looks before the makeover. I used to keep few plants which I have removed so that I can clean the space. This is a place where we store all our gardening related things, but the top portion remains empty and unpleasant. So I thought this portion should also be decorated and I placed a green artificial mat over that. Even if you have a small balcony, you can just throw a foxgrass patch and it's all set. If space allows, add in a plant shelf and add beautiful pots on that. If you want to have plants in your balcony, try to keep low maintenance plants, and other thing to consider how much sunlight your balcony receives. Accordingly, you can plan your balcony makeover. Apart from plants which bring in life to the balcony, the outer space can be decorated with soft lighting and colorful DIYs. I am also using few of my DIYs on this empty wall so that it will look nice and decorative. I'm also placing few lanterns and also some nice shaped ceramic pots which will definitely create a lovely look. Also I'm using few of these white stones over the mat. I had this old black tray, so I planned to use this for my balcony decor. So I'm just putting a small matka and will add a few artificial plant over it. This is a terracotta lamp which is a lovely piece of art, and this type of lamp looks very good for balcony decoration. I colored this tall terracotta stand and I am going to use it as a bird feeder. Also adding these cute looking terracotta statues. Many balcony decorative items are available nowadays and you can choose according to your balcony need. So these are the DIYs which I have used for my balcony wall. I am using these tires from a tricycle and just coloring them to give a colorful look. And also I am coloring these terracotta stand for making a bird feeder. This is a part of a bottle which I have cut and using the bottom part as a lantern and will use fairy light inside this. And this is also a part of tricycle which I am painting so that I can write few quotes related to garden. So here all my DIYs are ready and I have used them for my empty wall in my terrace. Here is the final reveal of my terrace balcony. This is the one portion of my terrace and other portion we used it for vegetable gardening. Balcony holds a special place in our home. Maybe it is because this open space connects us to the world. Or maybe it is one that place of our home where we can enjoy the natural surroundings in the company of loved ones or just yourself. Your balcony or terrace is the perfect place to lean back and relax while enjoying some quality time with your family. If you're lucky enough to have a little private space in the sky, then you should be drawn to setting it up and making the most of it. One very interesting fact about the human personality is that we can conceptualize the similar looking balcony of same size and shape in the same apartment and make it into a completely different world. While decorating my terrace balcony, I always make sure to keep it simple and allow the nature to take the space with all these natural plants. I am hoping this video will definitely help you to create a beautiful outdoor space, and I am sure this will become your favorite space to enjoy a steaming cup of tea or coffee with your favorite book. However, don't be disheartened if your balcony is small. Just like mine, it's not the size but your personal attitude and style sense that make it beautiful. And a small balcony is easy to maintain, and with all little effort you can create a cozy environment. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you liked the video and consider subscribing my channel, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and bye.